SciSpace just dropped 2 game-changing updates, and if you do research, you need to see this. SciSpace is built specifically for academic research, and they're constantly making it better. This time, they've rolled out 2 major features designed to save you hours of work. Let's break down what's new and how you can use these updates to seriously speed up your research workflow.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
First, let's hit the link provided in the video description. This will take us to the official site of SciSpace, a platform tailor-made for academic research. SciSpace is designed to expedite your entire research workflow by bringing together literature discovery, paper analysis, writing, citations, and reporting all in one unified place. Today, we are going to walk you through 2 major updates that have recently been introduced to the platform. So, let's dive right in. The first update is the multi-PDF chat with citation support feature. This powerful new feature allows you to upload up to 10 PDFs simultaneously and interact with all of them at once. That means you can ask questions, draw comparisons, and extract insights across multiple research papers without switching between files. To demonstrate, I have uploaded 8 academic papers, all related to the topic of technology and mathematics education. These were stored locally on my laptop, and uploading them was completely seamless. As you can see, all 8 papers are now loaded into the platform. Once uploaded, you can begin asking questions and interacting with the content. For instance, I asked the AI agent to summarize all the files and highlight the key findings from each paper. The agent begins by analyzing the uploaded files, then extracts relevant data from each PDF. Within moments, it generates a comprehensive summary covering all 8 papers. The summary is well-structured, accurate, and captures the core findings effectively. But here's the best part. This feature also provides inline citations, and you can locate each citation directly within the original PDF, ensuring full traceability and academic integrity. So, in essence, you can now interact with up to 10 academic papers in one go, in one place, making cross-paper analysis faster and more efficient than ever before. Now let's move on to the second update, which is Mendeley Integration. Previously, SciSpace offered integration with Zotero, allowing users to connect their reference library and interact with stored papers. Now, that capability has been expanded to include Mendeley as well. On the SciSpace platform, you will now see an option to connect your Mendeley account. Let me first show you my Mendeley library. This is the official Mendeley site, and as you can see, I have several academic papers uploaded in my library. To connect Mendeley with SciSpace, simply click on Connect App, then select Connect. This will redirect you to an authentication interface where you will need to sign in with your Mendeley credentials and grant access. Once connected, let's see how it works in practice. I have asked SciSpace to summarize a specific PDF from my Mendeley library by entering the title of the academic paper. The agent then accesses your Mendeley library, searches for the specified paper, downloads it, extracts key information and data, and finally generates a structured summary of the document. The final output is a clean, well-organized summary ready for use. If you would like to take it further, you can go to Outputs, where you have the option to save the summary to your notebook or download it for further analysis. So, to recap, in addition to Zotero and Google Drive integration, SciSpace now supports Mendeley, allowing you to seamlessly connect your account and interact with all the papers stored in your library. These were the 2 major updates: multi-PDF chat with citation support and Mendeley Integration, both designed to help you significantly expedite your research workflow. Try out SciSpace using the link in the description below, and don't forget to take advantage of the discount coupon codes available on both monthly and yearly plans. Leave a comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more AI and tech-related videos. See you in the next one.